Welcome to Zeros Ones Us and our enlightening series History of Zeros and Ones. In this episode, we journey back to the early 19th century to uncover the story of Joseph Marie Jacquard, a man whose invention not only revolutionized the textile industry, but also laid the groundwork for the digital age. Born in Lyon, a city pulsating with the rhythms of the silk weaving industry, Joseph Marie Charles, affectionately nicknamed Jacquard, was thrust into a world where weaving was not just a trade, but a way of life. His early exposure to the craft, combined with the hardships and triumphs of his family, shaped his understanding and vision for weaving. In the 18th century, France was a nation in flux. The French Revolution was reshaping society, and the Industrial Revolution was transforming industries. Amidst this era of change, Lyon's silk weaving industry was a beacon of craftsmanship and innovation, providing an ideal backdrop for Jacquard's future breakthroughs. The Jacquard loom was a product of brilliance and necessity. In a time when fabric design was painstakingly manual, Jacquard envisioned a machine that could automate this process. His loom used punched cards, a concept so innovative that it laid the foundation for data processing and computer programming. Let's delve into the mechanics of the Jacquard loom. It utilized a series of punched cards, each representing a row of the design. These cards controlled the loom's hooks, determining which threads were lifted during weaving, allowing for complex patterns to be created with precision and efficiency. The impact of the Jacquard loom on the textile industry was monumental. It revolutionized the production of patterned fabrics, making them more accessible and diverse. This advancement not only changed the economics of textile manufacturing, but also influenced fashion and design worldwide. Jacquard's journey was marked by personal struggles and resilience. Despite facing skepticism and resistance, his passion for innovation and his deep understanding of weaving propelled him forward. His story is a testament to the human spirit's capacity to overcome challenges and drive change. The influence of Jacquard's loom extended far beyond France. It reshaped the global textile industry, introducing a new era of automation and efficiency. This invention was a significant step towards the modern era of automated machinery and complex manufacturing processes. The principles of the Jacquard loom found their way into the nascent field of computing. The use of punched cards for data storage and instructions directly influenced early computer designs, making Jacquard's loom a cornerstone in the history of computer science. Today, Joseph Marie Jacquard is celebrated as a pioneer whose vision transcended his own time. His legacy is not confined to the textile industry. It permeates the very fabric of our digital world. His contributions continue to be a source of inspiration in technology and beyond. Jacquard's influence extended to visionaries like Charles Babbage, who incorporated the concept of punched cards in his analytical engine. This cross-pollination of ideas between textiles and computing paved the way for the digital revolution, highlighting the interconnectedness of different fields of innovation. Joseph Marie Jacquard, a visionary and a trailblazer, bridged disparate worlds with his ingenious invention. As we journey through the annals of history, his story remains a powerful reminder of how a single innovation can alter the course of multiple industries. Thank you for joining us on Zeros Ones Us for this exploration into the history of zeros and ones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as we unravel more intriguing tales of technology and history. Until next time, keep seeking the stories that weave our world together.